Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we're checking out the best smart laser tape measure designed for accuracy, convenience, and everyday versatility. The C DT11 blends laser precision with classic tape reliability in one smart tool. Let's get started. Product features: 2-in-1 smart measuring design. Combines a laser distance meter and a traditional tape measure in one compact device, giving you flexibility for both short and long measurements with professional accuracy. High precision laser accuracy. Built-in laser module delivers precise measurements with plus or minus 2 millimeters accuracy, making it ideal for construction, interior design, and detailed DIY projects. Rechargeable lithium battery. Features a built-in rechargeable battery that eliminates disposable batteries, offering eco-friendly performance and reliable power for daily use. Smart power-saving technology. Laser shuts off automatically after 30 seconds, while the LCD display turns off after 180 seconds to conserve energy and extend battery life. Simple 3-button operation. Easy controls allow mode switching, continuous measurement, history access, and quick unit changes between meters, inches, and feet. Reverse LCD with HD backlight. Clear reverse display with bright backlight improves readability, reduces glare, and ensures visibility in low light or bright environments. Magnetic hook for stability. Strong magnetic hook attaches securely to metal surfaces, providing stable measurements and improving accuracy during solo operation. Durable nylon-coated tape. Nylon-coated tape resists wear, slipping, and impact damage, ensuring long-term durability even in tough job site conditions. Compact and portable design. Lightweight body with a built-in back clip makes it easy to carry on a belt or pocket for on-the-go measuring tasks. Pros: accurate plus or minus 2 millimeter laser precision, 2-in-1 laser and tape design, rechargeable and energy efficient, clear backlit reverse display, durable and portable build. Cons: laser range may be limited for very large outdoor spaces, not designed for heavy industrial surveying. Final thoughts: fast, smart, and incredibly practical, that's the C DT11. It's a perfect choice for professionals and DIY users who want precision, durability, and convenience in one modern measuring tool. Check the price link in the description to see today's best deal. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more smart tool reviews.